How to reset the PHP version to the default version using cPanel. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Scroll down to the Software section and click on the Multi-PHP Manager icon. It is better to set the PHP version in this Multi-PHP Manager interface than to set it manually. There is a box before the name of the domain, for which we want to change the PHP version. Click on the checkbox. If you can't locate the particular domain, you can use the search bar and find the domain by typing its name. Now click to the open drop-down list of PHP version and select the option Inherit. You cannot select the Inherit option with PHP FPM enabled. Here it is disabled. Now click on the Apply button. That's it. We have successfully reset the PHP version to the default version for the selected domain. Thank you for watching.